Primrose wanting to be in this episode, but she's got a way to return, you know. You don't just show up on the farm and then get to be the main star. You got to pay your dues. You got to start at the bottom, work your way up. You know, I've been out here working on the farm since I was 2. Now it's my time, my turn to shine. She'll get her a chance. Anyways, back to the bees. So this is where it pays to have things. A lot of people call it junk. I call it preparation. You never know when you're gonna need something. I was mowing the neighbor's pasture. They flagged me down and said, hey, I think there's a swarm of bees over there in the tree. So I drive a tractor over there. Look, sure enough, it's a swarm of bees in the tree, just like she said. So I skedaddled on home. Went to my junk pile. Found my old bee box. Took it back over there, shook them into the box, and voila, free swarm of bees. And them are some of the hardest working bees I've had around here. In 1 week they had, usually you're supposed to put them in there put them into the hive with a couple of frames already drawn out so they'll stay, and then go right to work. Drawn out meaning the frame having comb on it so they can start putting their brood and honey and pollen and other stores in there. But I just put 9 straight frames in there that had nothing on them. And I went in there a week later and they had already drew out 4 or 5 of them. 3 of them were full of brood and the other 2 had honey. Pretty remarkable, I thought. And I caught a glimpse of the queen and some good bees. Even better because they were free. I guess the other part of junk is that sometimes it gets a little neglected, so the floor in that one's a little haphazard. But they love it. It gives them more entrances. Silver linings. Ah, the bounties of nature. Probably ought to just go ahead and get these. I might leave those. Talk about a refreshing lunch snack. We'll get out to the chickens. I'll leave them. I don't want to wait too long. Just watch the chickens fight over these. Alright, chickens. Yeah, the butt feathers, ain't quite got that one figured out. I think it's lack of vegetables. Put that rock around the edges to help keep it packed down, and they scraped it all towards the center, so now there's rock in the whole thing. I don't know how to fix it. Right, I need a new pen. I don't know. Maybe we just need to put them in the pot. Well, you got your wish, Primmy. You get to start on this episode. Pansy, primrose, and petunia. We had to cut their feed back. Doctor said they're overweight. Especially her. Don't tell her. Early onset osteoarthritis. High blood pressure. Look at that. Watch them scratch. Isn't that the cutest, most disgusting thing you ever seen? Well, there's another day on the, wait, what do we call this place? The Buttermilk Ranch. No, I don't remember.